Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Deepseek AI account step by step. Creating an account lets you chat with Deepseek AI, upload files, and access its AI features. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, go to the Deepseek website. Then, on the sign-in page, click Continue with Google. Next, select your Google account. If you're not signed in, enter your Google email address and password. Then click Continue or Allow if prompted. Deepseek will automatically create your account and sign you in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Deepseek AI homepage. Click New Chat to start your first conversation. You can now ask questions, generate content, upload files, and use Deepseek AI for free. And that's it. You've successfully created a Deepseek AI account using your Google account. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.